وقال عليه السلام: إذا وصلت لكم أطراف النعم فلا تنفروا أقصاها بقية الشكر.
When blessings reach you, do not drive them away before they reach you. Imam Ali, says that when initial blessings reach you, do not drive away the subsequent blessings that are to come, because blessings have a continuity. If you show gratitude for the initial blessings, the subsequent blessings will also reach you. The Quran says, if you are grateful, I will give you more, and if you are ungrateful, my punishment is severe. Quran. It is narrated that the sin that is punished quickly is ingratitude, kufr. To identify a grateful servant, recognize them by 4 characteristics: gratitude for blessings, patience in affliction, contentment with God's decree, and praise and glorification of God. God does not need our gratitude, but He has ordained gratitude so that subsequent blessings may reach us and our moral character may be developed. The Prophet said, "One who does not thank people will not thank God either." Wasail al-Shia, Volume 11. It is impossible to truly thank God, as Imam Sajjad says in his supplication, "O Lord, how can I thank you when your gratitude requires another gratitude?" Munajat al-Shakaran. Imam has taught us that humility and inability are the only ways to express gratitude to God, and recognizing that everything comes from Him makes one a knower of God and a traveler towards God.